To use Rakuten at Walmart. Start by understanding what Rakuten is. Rakuten is a cashback and rewards platform that partners with thousands of stores, including Walmart, to offer customers a percentage of their purchase back as cash or credit. First, sign up for a Rakuten account on their website or through their mobile app. This is a free and straightforward process that requires some basic information like your name and email address. Once you have an account, browse Rakuten's list of partner stores and find Walmart. Rakuten often offers a certain percentage of cashback on purchases made at Walmart, which can vary depending on the time of year and the specific products you buy. To earn cashback at Walmart with Rakuten, you have two main options. The first is to shop online through Rakuten's website or app. Simply log into your Rakuten account. Click on the Walmart link, and you will be taken to Walmart's website where you can shop as you normally would. The second option is to use Rakuten's mobile app to link your credit or debit card and earn cashback in store at Walmart. This process is called in-store cashback and it allows you to earn rewards on your purchases even when you are shopping in person. When shopping online, make sure to follow the link from Rakuten to Walmart, as this is what tracks your purchase and earns you cashback. When shopping in store, simply pay with the card you link to Rakuten and the cashback will be added to your account automatically. It is also important to note that some items may not be eligible for cashback, so always check the terms and conditions before making a purchase. Additionally, cashback percentages can change over time, so it is a good idea to check Rakuten's website regularly for updates. By following these steps and using Rakuten when you shop at Walmart, you can earn a significant amount of cashback over time, which can be redeemed for cash or credit. This can be a great way to save money and get the most out of your Walmart purchases.